Hey, how's it going? Just getting ready for a canoe trip coming up in a couple weeks, and I thought I would do a quick video to show what I have in my fire starter kit. I know some people like taking maybe just a lighter or a couple matches or something, but I like to take a couple things to guarantee that we can get a fire going in even the harshest conditions like wind, rain, snow. So, anyway, this is what I have in my kit. I have it in just an old tent peg bag. It's a nice way to keep everything contained in your pack, and it's still pretty small. Doesn't take up much room or isn't very heavy. If you're ultralight, then maybe this isn't for you, but for us who we're usually canoeing, so a couple extra grams in weight isn't a big deal. So anyway, I'll show you what I have. I have my magnesium fire steel. I think this is Light My Fire brand, something like that. I think this is key to have in any fire starting kit. You can get the fire started, you can get a spark with, in any conditions, wet especially, you'll still be able to get a spark. This one in particular is good for 3,000 sparks, I think. 3,000 they guarantee for, but I don't know, I've had it for probably 6 years now, and it's still going strong. So this is key. Even if you don't have matches, lighter, you'll be able to get a fire started with this. I always have some sort of tinder inside the kit as well. Here's a piece of birch that's been in there for a while. Birch is a great tinder to have if you can find it. With the oils inside the paper, it's a natural tinder, and it'll lighten even if it's wet. So it's nice to have. I always try to have some in my kit. If I find some on the trail, I usually throw it in as well, just to have it with us. I also bring these Vaseline soaked cotton balls. Vaseline is obviously made with petroleum jelly. You can see how I make these up in the corner here. I'll link to the video. It's really simple, doesn't take much time, and having these in your pack is a nice addition. Easy use. It gives you a little extra help at the beginning to get the fire going, especially if it's wet. Yeah, so these are great to have. I usually have this full. There's probably 20 in here that I can put in at one time, and I keep it in this plastic container just so the Vaseline doesn't get on everything. Yeah. What else do we have? Oh yeah. And I usually have a lighter in here as well. Obviously, it's a great way to start a fire if you don't have the magnesium fire steel or anything like that. I prefer taking the type of lighter that has the push down button like this. You can use this all day. It won't hurt your fingers even if it's cold and wet. Unlike like one of these types of lighters, I find that if your hands are cold and wet, using the wheel can be hard on your thumb, and eventually it just starts hurting. So there's no need to take this type. If you just have this, it's great. You can do this all day. So yeah, that is everything inside my fire kit. It's not a lot of weight. It's stuff that you can easily get, and it's a nice little addition to your kit. So yeah, this is everything inside my fire kit. A lighter, some Vaseline soaked cotton balls, some tinder, usually birch bark, and a magnesium steel fire starter. Thanks for watching.